Very good morning to all. See this example from electrochemistry, that is I have given as a homework, as a assignment. Now this example is nothing but it is a good application of Nernst equation. You can use the Nernst equation and trying to solve it. What is given to you? Which one is correct answer? Anybody have tried it? Which one is correct one? Okay. So see, you know that very well. See, you are given here. You have to find out value of equilibrium constant K. Equilibrium constant means at equilibrium E cell becomes 0. This is Nernst equation. E cell is equal to E standard minus 0.0592 upon n log K. You can define equilibrium. At equilibrium, value of E cell become 0. This value becomes 0. So you can have this equation. This E0 cell comes on this side. So 0.0592 upon n to log K. This is equation. But see, E standard is not given to you. E standard is not given to you. E cell is given definitely. This one. Concentration is given. So you can use the Nernst equation and first find out E standard and then go for calculation of this one. So see, E standard is equal to E cell is equal to given to you. So E standard minus 0.0592. Here number of electron exchange are 2 log anode upon cathode. That is 0.01 concentration of zinc plus 2. This one. Upon cathodic species 0.001. E cell value is 0.2905 is given. The standard is to be calculated 0.0592 upon 2. So this become 0.0296. This is 0.01 cancel. नीचे 0.1 વધશે ऊपर जासे तो 0.1 means 10 raised to minus 1 ऊपर जासे तो plus 1 થશે. So it become log 10. Log 10 become 1. So E standard is equal to 0.2905 minus આ બાજુ આવશે તો પ્લસ થઈ જશે. So it's a 0.0296. So this become, you can just add it, so it become 32.3201. Now you can put the value in this equation, find out the K. So log K is equal to n is equal to 2, which goes on this side. E cell is equal to 0.3201 upon 0.0592. See, so 2 and here 0.0592 ઉપર 0.32 તો તમારે જોઈએ છે તો as it is રાખો. So this become log K is equal to 0.3201 divided by, અહીં 2 થી કેન્સલ કરશો એટલે નીચે હાફ થઈ જશે 0.0296 થઈ જશે. So therefore K is equal to સામે 10 base log લેવાનું. લોગરીમો કરવા માટે 10 નો પાવર લેશો એટલે લોગરીમો થઈ જશે. હિયર ઇટ ઇઝ 10 રેઝ ટુ 0.3201 divided by 0.0296. In this way you are getting K value. So this one is correct answer. So in this way you can calculate K also using the same equation. So these are the various applications of Knots equation. So see, this entire topic we have completed, that is Knots equation. Now we move to the important topic, that is Faraday's law. Michael Faraday's law. The Faraday's law is nothing but it will gives relationship between two important things. One is quantity of current passed, and second one is product formed at the respective electrode. So what quantity of current you have passed and how much product is formed or it is obtained at particular electrode. So that is we will going to define using Faraday's law. So this is Faraday is given the law which is related to amount of product formed and quantity of current passed. Faraday is given two important laws. The first one is first law of the Faraday's is, see, it is nothing but basic law of electromagnetism, predicting how magnetic field will interact with electrical circuit. So here see simply it is first law is nothing but statement is amount of chemical reaction at electrode by current. કેટલું reaction થશે amount of chemical reaction at electrode by current is proportional to quantity of electricity passed. Is proportional to quantity of electricity passed. Q is equal to IT. Second law, this is your first law. The amount of electricity which is passed, that is directly proportional to chemical reaction take place at electrode. જેટલો વધારે કરંટ પાસ કરશો એટલી વધારે રિએક્શન થશે. So this gives idea about amount of chemical reaction. Electrode same રહેશે but quantity change કરશું current ની. Second law માં current same રાખશું and electrode will going to change. So second law of Faraday is the amount of different substances liberated by same quantity of current. Current અહીંયા same રાખશું. Electricity passing through electrolytic solution is directly proportional to chemical equivalent weight. Is directly proportional to in this equation say Q is coulomb, I is current in ampere, Q is a charge, T is time in second. F is, see, you can have this relationship also. Q is equal to 96500 1 upon 96500 Faraday, or 1 Faraday is equal to 96500 coulomb. This is the two important law. For example, see this law is you can predict in this way. I will change the electrode. Aluminum plus 3. 3 electron means 3 Faraday. 1 electron means 1 Faraday. So it will give 3 moles of aluminum. Magnesium Mg plus 2 plus 2 electron, 2 Faraday electricity, so it gives 2 moles of Mg. Sorry, 1 mole of Mg. 3 electron required to getting 1 mole of aluminum, and 2 electrons required, 2 Faraday electricity is required to getting 1 mole of magnesium. Sodium just required 1 Faraday to give 1 mole. So see, in all this case, electrolyte are different, charge is different. So see, you know that in order to getting 1 mole of product, we have passed different energy. You require different energy, but if you pass same energy to 3 different electrode, what happens? દરેકમાં એક એક ફેરાડે પાસ કરો એટલે આ ફર્સ્ટ ઇક્વેશન છે એને 3 થી ડિવાઈડ કરો. So it become 1/3 aluminum plus 3 1 Faraday, 1 electron. gives 1 by 3 mole aluminum. Here you can divide this as by 2 for 1 Faraday. So we are getting half mole of magnesium, and here you can also divide it by 1 or passing 1 with the Faraday. So you are given 1 mole. So in this case, we have passed 1 Faraday electricity in all. Is passed in 3 different electrodes. So product form is aluminum is obtained only 1 by 3 mole, magnesium obtained 1 by 2 mole, and sodium obtained 1 mole. So in short, see, amount of product form is, in short, it is called inversely proportional to charge chemical equivalency. ચાર્જ વધારે હોય તો ઇટ ઇઝ ઇન્વર્સલી પ્રોપોર્શનલ ટુ એલ્યુમિનિયમ પર +3 ચાર્જ છે તો 1/3 પ્રોડક્ટ મળે છે, સોડિયમ પર +1 છે તો 1 પ્રોડક્ટ વધારે પ્રોડક્ટ મળે છે. સો અમાઉન્ટ ઓફ ડિફરન્ટ substance liberated by passing same electricity of through electrolytic solution is directly proportional to chemical equivalent weight, inversely proportional to charge, you can say. So you are given, see, these are the products. So this is second law. But in first law, see, we have made electrolyte same and pass a different quantity of current. Second law માં આપણે current same રાખીએ છીએ દરેકમાં 1 ફેરાડે. ફર્સ્ટ લો માં આવું નથી. ફર્સ્ટ લો માં સી એમ સોડિયમ હોય પ્લસ અને 1 પહેલામાં 1 ફેરાડે કરંટ રાખીએ છીએ અથવા 1 ઇલેક્ટ્રોન. So you are getting 1 mole sodium. પછી તમે કરંટ ચેન્જ કરો છો, 2 ફેરાડે કરો છો, so definitely it will gives 2 mole of sodium. The current જેમ વધારશો એમ પ્રોડક્ટ વધારે મળે છે. So amount of chemical reaction at electrode by current is proportional to quantity of electricity passed. જેટલી વધારે quantity પાસ કરો એટલો વધારે પ્રોડક્ટ અથવા રિએક્શન થશે. But second law માં આપણે electrode change કરી દઈએ છીએ and then we are going to measure the effect. We are changing electrode, we are taking different and passing same quantity of current in all these 3 different solutions. So aluminum solution only gives 1/3 mole, magnesium solution gives 1/2 mole, and sodium plus solution gives only 1 mole. So see, these are the different product which is directly proportional to equivalent weight, inversely proportional to charge. So now we make a practice of certain example that is related to Faraday's law, how it is applicable. These are the very important in electroplating, how much quantity of particular metal is required. If you want to calculate it, then this reaction is very, very important. So first one is related to second law of Faraday. 3 Faraday of electricity are passed through molten Al2 O3 aqueous solution. Aqueous solution of copper sulfate and molten NaCl. Taken in different electrolytic cell. The amount of aluminum, copper, and sodium deposited at cathodes at the cathodes would be the ratio of say aluminum plus 3 electron, you know very well, it gives what more? અહીંયા તમને કીધું છે 3 Faradays electricity pass through molten air to બધામાં 3 Faraday પાસ કરો છો. So 3 Faraday equal to 1 mole of aluminum, you know that. What's about copper plus 2? This is copper plus 2. 2 Faraday gives 1 mole of copper, but what's about 3 Faraday? 3 Faraday કરવા હોય તો કેટલાથી મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરવું પડે? 3/2 થી. 2 cancel થઈ જશે નીચે. 3 electron gives, that is 1.5 mole. What's about sodium? NaCl માં cation Na plus છે. એ રીતે multiply કરી દો, so it will give 3 more. So in each case we have passed 3 Faraday electricity, so we are getting 1 mole aluminum, 1.5 mole copper and 3 moles You can say NaCl, Na plus, sodium metal from Na plus. So this one is correct one. Now in order to solve other problems, what you can do, step to solve the problems related to Faraday's law. So what you can do, steps, for example, how to solve different example using the certain steps. So first write down, first step is first write the reduction reaction. જે કેટાયન પર ચાર્જ હોય એ ચાર્જ રિકોગ્નાઇઝ કરી અને રિડક્શન રિએક્શન લખવાનું. Then write standard relation કે ભાઈ કેટલા ફેરાડે છે તો કેટલા મોલ મળે છે. Then make relationship with given data. Calculate mole, and from the mole you can calculate weight. Simple formula is mole is equal to weight upon equivalent weight or molecular weight. See this with the step you have to follow whenever you are solving any example. For example, see question is asked like that. On passing, 0.1 Faraday of electricity to aluminum chloride. The amount of aluminum metal deposited on cathode is atomic weight. Aluminum atomic weight is 27. So first you can write down standard equation, that is step number 1, reduction reaction. Aluminum is there, so you can write down its reduction reaction. Aluminum plus 3 reduced by 3 electrons to give aluminum, 1 mole of aluminum. So standard relationship is, write a standard relationship, second step. So 3 Faraday equal to 1 mole, that is standard relation. Make a relationship with given data. So it's simple, 3 Faraday gives 1 mole of aluminum. To make a triangle, 0.1 Faraday give you how much? So calculate moles of aluminum is equal to 0.1 into 1 divided by 3. How to calculate weight? The weight is equal to weight ने subject of formula बनाओ. So you simply multiply equivalent weight with moles. So you are getting weight of aluminum. So amount of aluminum deposit is equal to its mole into equivalent weight. So 9 3 is 27, it's a 0.9 gram. So this become correct answer. Three Faraday electricity was passed through an aqueous solution Fe2 bromide. The weight of Fe metal deposited at cathode is first write down the standard equation. The 2 Faraday gives 1 mole of Fe. To write the relations with given data, so 3 Faraday is given is equal to how mole of Fe. So moles of Fe is equal to 3 into 1 upon 2. That is 3 by 2. It is equal to 1.5 mole. Now calculate amount. Amount of Fe deposited is equal to its mole into equivalent weight, that is 56. So it is 3 into 27. hours. 30, okay. 3 into 28 also good. 56 chat gives the 56. The total become 8 at 24 એટલે 84 આવશે. Okay. It's 84 gram. Similar example is see a silver cup is plated with silver no cup છે. Silver cup is plated with an electroplating થાય છે. It's plated with silver by passing 965 coulomb electricity. The amount of silver deposited is which one is correct? You tell me the answer. 9.89. Equivalent weight of silver is now you can try and tell me the answer. What is first step?
Write down reduction reaction.
Okay, first write down the reduction. So silver is there. So silver is reduced to बोलो बोलो.
सर ऑप्शन सी आवे आमा.
Yes, first write down the reduction reaction. CAG plus is reduced to AG. 1 Faraday equal to 1 mole. And 1 Faraday is equal to, you know very well, 96500 coulomb. Already you are given C coulomb, not Faraday. So you can write down the relation in this way. 96500 coulomb gives 1 mole. So 965 coulomb gives how many mole? So again calculate mole. Nine sixty five cancel થઈ જશે 1/100. 10 raised to minus 2 mole. So weight is equal to mole into equivalent weight. Into 108 લખો અથવા 107.87 બંને સેમ જ છે. આ પોઈન્ટ પછી 2 ડેસિમલ એક્યુરેસી છે. સો 2 પાવર 10 રેઝ ટુ -2 છે એટલે 2 પોઈન્ટ લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ અહીંયા પોઈન્ટ આવશે. સો ઇટ્સ 1.0787. Okay, so next a certain quantity of electricity pass through. તો કંઈ ફિક્સ નથી કીધી કેટલી ઇલેક્ટ્રિસિટી, but a certain quantity. Pass through an aqueous solution of AgNO3 in cupric salt solution. Connected in series. The amount of Ag deposited is 1.08 gram. The amount of Ag deposited is 1.08 gram. The amount of copper deposited is equivalent weight of copper is equal to 63.5 and Ag is 'So see here one relationship is given that is for same quantity બંનેમાં પાસ કરો છો. તો સિલ્વર અને બંનેનું જો સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ રિએક્શન લખી તો આ પ્રમાણે Ag પ્લસ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન gives Ag. કોપરનું ઇક્વેશન આ પ્રમાણે થાય Cu પ્લસ 2 બંને સિરીઝમાં કનેક્ટેડ છે, સેમ ઇલેક્ટ્રિસિટી બંનેમાં પાસ કરો છો. તો પહેલા તો 1.08 ગ્રામ સિલ્વર મેળવવા કેટલી ઇલેક્ટ્રિસિટી જોઈએ એ જોઈ લેવી પડે, અથવા તો સર્ટેન ક્વોન્ટિટી કીધી, ક્વોન્ટિટી ફિક્સ નથી કીધી, એટલે તમે આમ પણ લખી શકો. અહીંયા 1 ફેરાડે ઇલેક્ટ્રિસિટી છે સપોઝ, તો 1 મોલ સિલ્વર છે અને 1 મોલ સિલ્વરનું વેઇટ તમને ખબર છે. 1 મોલ સિલ્વર હોય તો એનું વેઇટ મોલની કિંમત 1 લઈ લ્યો તો 108 આવશે, મોલ ઇન્ટુ ઇક્વિવેલન્ટ વેઇટ. 1 મોલ સિલ્વરનું વેઇટ આવશે કેટલું? 108 ગ્રામ. તો આપણે એવું લખી શકાય કે ભાઈ 1 મોલ સિલ્વર છે એટલે 108 ગ્રામ, એટલે 108 ગ્રામ વેઇટ હોય ત્યારે 1 મોલ એટલે કે 1 ફેરાડે, 1 ફેરાડે કરંટ વપરાય છે, અથવા 1 ફેરાડે કરંટ gives 108 મોલ સિલ્વર, આવું પણ લખાય. એટલે આમાં કેટલી કરંટ પાસ થયું છે ને એ શોધી લેવાનું. 108 ગ્રામ રિક્વાયર્ડ 1 ફેરાડે ઇલેક્ટ્રિસિટી. તો આપણે એ પૂછે વેઇટ કેટલું 1.08. The number of Faradays (10⁻²). Or you can say 0.01. અહીંયા આપણે રિલેશન બંનેમાં સેમ કરંટ પાસ કરો છો એટલે આમાં આટલું જ કરંટ કોપરમાં પાસ કરવાનો. તો 2 ફેરાડે gives 1 mole. 2 Faraday gives 1 mole. So 0.01 Faraday gives how much mole? તો કોપરના મોલ મળી જશે. એનું વેઇટ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરી દો. Weight is equal to mole upon 2. 31.7 સમથિંગ આવશે આન્સર. અને 0.01 છે એટલે 2 ડેસિમલ પોઈન્ટ લેશો એટલે ઇટ બીકમ 0.317. This is your answer. Hello, is there any doubt in this example?
No, sir.
Okay. The last example related to Faraday's law is when 9.65 coulomb electricity passed through a solution of silver nitrate. Atomic weight the amount of silver deposited is again write down equation. 1 Faraday gives 1 mole. 1 Faraday means 96500 coulomb is 1 mole. You are given 9.65 coulomb gives how much mole? So moles is equal to amount is equal to 108 into 10 raised to minus 4, that is 0.018 ગ્રામ. આપણે આન્સર મિલીગ્રામમાં જોઈએ છે, so multiply with 1000. 1000. So you are getting in milligram. That is 10.8 milligram. So the correct one is option number 1. This is correct one. Thank you very much. We stop here.